सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। So far what we have seen, Varnamala, meaning garland of letters, it's classified into vowels and consonants, achaha and halaha, swaraha, vyanjanani. And swaraha, otherwise called achaha, is classified into samana swaraha, sanyukta swaraha, simple vowels and conjunct vowels based on the place of pronunciation. And based on the time it is divided, classified into hrasvaha, dheerghaha, short vowel and long vowel. These are the two ways of classification, two ways of classifying the vowels. And vyanjanani, halaha, consonants are classified into varga vyanjanani, that is class consonants, antastaha, semi-vowels, and ushmanaha, sibilants. How many consonants? 33. Varga vyanjanani, 25. Antastaha, 4. Sibilants, 4. So now, we will see. You will read now. What is this? Which are gutturals among the vowels now? Among the vowels. A and A. And among the consonants? The first class, Kavarga, they are gutturals. Among the semi-vowels, what are gutturals? There is no guttural. Ya is what? Ya, Ra, cerebral. La, dental. Va, dental plus labial. Sha, palatal. Sha, Sa, Ha, guttural. What are the aspirate semi-vowels? Can anyone tell the aspirate semi-vowels? Sorry? All the semi-vowels are alpa prana, non-aspirate. So don't tell ya, ra, no. Now, I will introduce that hard and soft. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what it is, right? First letter of the first class, second letter, third letter, fourth letter, fifth letter. First, let me introduce the structure. What is it now? And 1 and 2, they are compartmentalized. 1 and 2 are put together in a rectangle, right? And 3, 4, 5 in another rectangle. So 1 and 2 belong to one section. 3, 4, 5 another section, right? And 1, 3, 5 all are that circle, right? 1, 3, 5. What are 1, 3, 5? Alpha prana is going to come now. And 3 and 4, by the symbols now you know this, what they are, right? I mean they are grouped together based on the symbols. 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4. 1 and 2 are put together and 3 and 4, 3, 4, 5 are put together, right? Now we will see one by one. Now the first class you see. Ka, kha, ga, gha, na. Now the first letter ka, third letter ga, and fifth letter nasal na. 1, 3, 5. What are they? Alpa prana, non-aspirate. Number 2 and 4, kha and gha, they are mahaprana. They are within the rhombus, that hexagon, right? Okay. And 1 and 2, they are covered, they are put together, right? Together within that green color rectangle. 1 and 2, they are hard consonants. 1 and 2 are hard consonants. Don't have to write, it will count. 3, 4, 5 are soft consonants. In the same way, the second class, cha, cha, ja, ja, na. Cha, ja, na. That is 1, 3, 5 are alpa prana. 2 and 4 are mahaprana. 1 and 2, that is cha, cha, hard consonant. 3, 4, 5, soft consonant. Right? Understand? In the same way for all the class consonants. Now the third class. What are hard consonants? Ta, ta, the first 2 letters. What about the other 3? Soft. 3, 4, 5 soft. And 1, 3, 5 are alpa prana. 2 and 4? 1 and 2?
Hard consonant.
3, 4, 5?
Soft consonant.
It's difficult to remember. Simple, right? This is what I told that day. The same thing. Okay. Now the fourth one. Ta, tha, hard consonant. Da, dha, na, soft consonant. Ta, da, na. 1, 3, 5. Alpa prana. Tha and dha. Mahaprana, aspirate. Then the fifth class. Pa, pa, ba, bha, ma. 1, 3, 5. Alpa prana. That is pa, ba, ma. Alpa prana. Pa and bha, mahaprana. Pa, pa. The first 2, 1 and 2. Hard consonants. And ba, bha, ma. Soft consonants. Now you see. 2 and 4 are what? Aspirate. And 3, 4, 1, 3, 5 are non-aspirate. And 1 and 2 are hard consonants. 3, 4, 5 are soft consonants. It's clear now? Right? So this is for the class consonants. So class consonants easy to remember. 1 and 2 hard consonants. 3, 4, 5 soft consonants. 1, 3, 5 non-aspirate. 2, 4 aspirate. Right? Remember? Yes? Yeah. Hard and soft, we saw the definition already. So when you utter a soft consonant, you will feel the vibration here, the throat. And soft consonant, okay. Hard consonants are generally, they are very flat and sharp. Hard consonants. Ka, kha, cha, cha. Whereas you say utter the soft consonants, ga, gha, na. You will feel the vibration in the throat. If this is satisfying, fine. Otherwise, just know 1 and 2 are hard consonants, 3, 4, 5 are soft consonants. That will help you later when we do, when we study Sandhi and all, right? And when we study Maheshwara Sutra, we'll be studying that, you will be seeing in detail further. So now it's easy to remember, right? Hard and soft consonants. Now, the semi-vowels. Among the semi-vowels, which are hard and which are soft. Semi-vowels as well as sibilants. Ya, ra, la, la. Put together, they are together. Because they come under particular classification. Then sha, sha, sa. Then ha. Now you see. Ya, ra, la, va. They are soft consonants and non-aspirate. That we know. Non-aspirate we know. Ya, ra, la, va. That is, the semi-vowels are alpa praha we know. Now we have to know one more information. They are soft consonants also. Right? So, ya, ra, la, va. That is, all the semi-vowels are soft as well as non-aspirate. Then among the sibilants, sha, sha, sa. All the sibilants are aspirate. We have seen already, right? All the sibilants are what? Aspirate. Sha, sha, sa. The first three are hard consonant and the last one, ha, is soft. Please, you can note it down this. Among the class consonants, 1 and 2 are hard, 3, 4, 5 are soft, and all the semi-vowels are soft consonants, and except the sibilant ha, all the other sibilants are hard consonants. So if I ask you to list down hard consonant, soft consonants, you should be able to do it. What are hard consonants? You can say 1 and 2 of all the class consonants, right? That is the first letter and the second letter of all the class consonants plus all the sibilants except ha, the last sibilant. These are the hard consonants. It's clear? Are you want to write on the board? Is it clear, all of you?
It's clear.
And what are the soft consonants? Third letter, fourth letter and the fifth letter of all the class consonants plus all the semi-vowels and the last sibilant ha. These are the soft consonants, right? And aspirate, non-aspirate, you know, so we don't have to talk about it again, right? Anyway, the chart I will explain tomorrow. We will draw it on the board. I am not showing it today, so we will move on further. So today we will be seeing consonants vowel combination, right? Is it clear now?
Yes.
Hard and soft, aspirate, non-aspirate? Yes. See, different ways of classifying the consonants we saw. One is consonants are classified into class consonant and non-class consonant. Under non-class consonant we have semi-vowels and sibilants. Under sibilants we have hard and soft. And another way of classifying the consonants, hard and soft. That already we have seen. Just now we have seen. Another way, aspirate, non-aspirate. These are the different ways of classifying the consonants. So if we give you a letter and ask you to write down the properties, you should be able to say. So for example, if you take the last sibilant ha, ha is a non-class consonant classified under sibilants. It is a soft aspirate. These are the properties of the letter ha. And also the uchcharana sthanam is a tural, throat, right? So now you know, now you have the knowledge of all the letters of the language. How it is produced, what are they? Yes? Yes, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So today is our 10th class, I think, 10th or 9th class? 10th class. 10. So starting from Monday to Monday 8 and Tuesday was 9 and today is 10th. I am good in mathematics. It's arithmetic, huh? Sorry? Yeah, that's nice. Okay, now, I told you, remember last class? Consonant without vowels. How is it written? First of all, can you pronounce a consonant without a vowel?
No.
No, we saw that. So for the sake of pronunciation, by default, I have added the vowel a to all the consonants. That's why you could pronounce the consonants. Ka, kha, ga, gha, right? If you remove the vowel, then how it will look, we'll see. Consonants without vowel will be written like this. You can't pronounce this, right? But you can address this. How? These are the right. Remember, what is the first letter? Kakara, right? Remember, that is not the sound of the consonant. Remember, that is not the sound. It is only to address the consonant. I want to indicate, I want to address the consonant. Therefore, I can add the suffix kara and say kakara. The second one, kakara. Third one, gakara. Fourth one, gakara. Fifth one, nakara. Whatever sound we know, ka, ka, to that you add kara. You add the suffix kara. And that is the name. And that is the name, or that is the name or title by which we address the consonants. Right? So if you remove the vowel, pure consonant will have a stroke at the bottom, another stroke. Right? So this is how it is written. You can't pronounce these consonants. Because consonants without vowel are lifeless. Doesn't have sound. So it's only just a form. His form is that. Right? Then, so if you add the vowel a, what happens? The nether stroke vanishes and you get the form ka. Sound also ka. So kakara plus a equals ka. Kakara plus a equals ka. Chakara plus a equals cha. So we have added the vowel a. In the same way we can add all the vowels, all the 13 vowels. So one by one we are going to add and see the form now. So these are the consonants without the vowel. Now with the vowel a, what happens? For the sake of pronunciation, the letter a is added to all the consonants. So when you add, how does it look? Kakara plus a equals ka. The nether stroke disappears. So kakara plus a equals ka. Now ka gets a status of, being pronounceable. Then ka plus a equals ka. Kakara plus a equals ga. Gakara plus a equals ga. And the nasal, nakara plus a equals na. The same way for all the consonants. Chakara plus a equals cha. Chakara plus a equals cha. Right? So in the same way for all the consonants and the semi-vowels and sibilants. Right? This is clear, right? Now, with the vowel a, we have seen the form and the sound. Now, the next vowel a will be added to the consonants. Let us see how it appears. Then consonants with vowel combinations. We are going to add all the vowels to all the consonants and the corresponding form and the sound we are going to learn. All the vowels can be added to the consonant in the way we added a. The same way we can add all the vowels. And when you add a vowel to a consonant, the vowel will have a special sign. The vowel will have a special sign added to the consonant. The consonant vowel combination, the consonant will be written as it is, but the vowel will get a special sign and that will be appended to the consonant. In the case, the kakara plus a, then nothing happened, only the nether stroke vanished. Here, kakara plus a. Here what happened is, nothing happened, only the nether stroke vanished and you get ka. Now, kakara plus the long vowel A is added. The long vowel A is added. Since A being a vowel, so what happens? The nether stroke vanishes. You get ka. But here the extra stroke is there, that is added to the consonant, and you get the same, the long vowel sound. Ka. What is that? Ka. So the vowel sign for the letter A when it combines with consonant is this vertical stroke. Remember this vertical stroke. The vertical stroke will be there. In the same way, the next vowel. What is this?
E.
And this one?
Ka.
What is that? Kakara plus E. This being a vowel, when you add to the consonant, the first thing what happens is this nether stroke vanishes. So you get ka. Right? And the E, the vowel E is represented by this stroke. So the symbol, the sign for the vowel E is this stroke. So whenever you see this sign, remember it is the vowel E. The vowel E gets that form, gets that sign when it is added to the consonant. Now, kakara plus E, right? What happens? The first thing is this stroke, another stroke vanishes. So you get ka. And the next thing what happens is this vowel has its corresponding sign. We call vowel sign. So that is E. For short vowel E, the stroke is on the left side. For long vowel E, the stroke on the other side, right side. So this is the vowel sign for the vowel E. Understand? Yes? All of you? So now we can read. What is this? And this one? See, when you say ki, the consonant ka, kakara is there, and the vowel E is there. E being a short vowel, therefore the combined sound is ki. Short ki. Not ki. For that E is there. So now a, e. What's the next letter? So we can add u. What is this? Kakara plus u. Since we are adding the vowel, what happens? Another stroke vanishes. So ka. And the vowel u is represented by this sign. Ku. This stroke will be to the left side. Right? Ku. So therefore, this is the vowel sign for U. What is the next vowel? So kakara plus U will be. The first thing is that the stroke vanishes, and the long vowel U will be represented by this stroke, this sign. That is the sign to the right side. Right? So this is U. What's the next letter? R. Short one. Kakara plus R. You write ka, and the vowel R will be represented by this stroke. What is this? R. This is kakara. Kakara plus R becomes kr. What is that? Kr. And what is this? Ku. And this one? Ku. And this is? Kr. So vowel sign for R is this is a stroke. This is a vowel sign. So ka, you can say ka, ka, ki, ku, kr. Again. Again. Okay, now the long vowel R, kakara plus R. What will happen? First you write the vowel, the consonant ka, with another stroke removed, then the R will be represented by the sign 2 strokes. Becomes, what is sound? Kru. What is that? Kru. That is the vowel sound. After kru, what is the next vowel? That combination is not used much in the language, so you can drop that. Don't worry about it. L. You can drop that. So you don't have 13 vowels now. It becomes only 12 vowels. Now, kakara plus next vowel. What is that? Short or long?
Short.
What is the short vowel?
Long.
It doesn't have a short form. Okay. Kakara plus. What is this? Kakara plus A. You write ka, and the vowel A will be represented by the sign. This sign. A stroke at the top. A stroke at the top of the consonant represents the vowel A. What is that? Therefore K. So the combination of the sound, the consonant kakara and the vowel A becomes K. What is the next vowel?
I.
So kakara plus I. So that will be written like this. 2 strokes will be at the top. Becomes kai. What is that? What is the sound of this vowel? Therefore it becomes kai. Combination of the consonant sound kakara and the vowel sound I becomes kai. So the vowel sign for I is 2 stroke at the top of the consonant. And what is the next vowel? Kakara plus O. What is the difference between these two? A stroke at the top. Just put the stroke at the top. You write kakara and stroke at the top becomes ko. What is that? Ko. Therefore, the vowel sign for the vowel O is, this is the vowel sign. Clear?
Yes.
What's the next vowel now?
Ow.
Kakara plus. Now, what is the extra thing here? One more stroke at the top. You add that, that becomes cow. So, the vowel sign for ow is 2 stroke at the top and 1 vertical stroke to the right. So, it becomes cow. And what is the next consonant? You can, for the sake of the anuswara, we can add the consonant, we can add the vowel Kakara plus will become what? Come. So, ka you write, and anuswara is the extra thing. Add that. What is that? Come. And what's the next one? So, kakara plus aha. What is the extra thing here? Visarga. So, you add the visarga. That becomes kaha. What is that? What is that? Nitya nitya vastu viveka kaha. Remember? Tattva bodha. Tattva bodha kaha. What is tattva bodha? Kaha is what? That's the meaning. Kaha. Viveka kaha. Viraga kaha. Right? We'll talk about further later. Sometimes we use kim. Sadhana chatushtayam. Kim. Not kaha. Kim. What is sadhana chatushtaya? Kaha is masculine. Kim is napumsakalinga, neuter. We'll talk about that later. Okay. Ka is strilinga. Right? So now you know the vowel sign. You add, you know the vowel sign, right? And the sound of the vowel. You add that to the consonant, you get the consonant vowel combination. Can you all read now from the top? Ka. Kai, go, come. Again. Again. K, not K. K. See, I read now. Ka. Ka. Ki. Ki. Ku. Ku. Kr. Kr. Ke. Kai. Ko. Kau. Kam. Kaha. Please write. You're so quick in learning. So, what shall I do now? I can give you then words then. So, we have seen the vowels added to the consonant kakara. You can add the same way to all the consonants. So that's your homework. You can try it. You can add that to all the 33 consonants. I'll show you now. Written. These vowel signs, they are called in Samskrtam Gunitaksharani. They are called, I'll show now, Gunitakshar. Vowel signs are called, the vowel sign what you see, no? For the vowel E, we have got a stroke. E, one stroke is U. They are in Samskritam called Gunitaksharani. You can see Gunitaksharani. The vowel signs are called. Now you can read this. See, what is this vowel? What is this consonant plus vowel? What are the constituents? Not ga. Gakara plus, what is the vowel added? U. Therefore becomes gu. You can see that vowel sign this side. And what is the next letter? Nakara plus, is a short one or long one? Short one. That is why the stroke is on the left side. Gu, ni. Read down. And what's the next one? Takara plus a. Gu, ni, ta. What is that? Again? This letter, leave it out. Not required now. We'll see that later. What is this one? Again? What? Yeah, what is that? Rakara plus? Here one correction. I said you can address the consonant by adding the suffix kara, 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 right? Kakara, takara, pakara. But when it comes to ra, you should repa, I myself told, it is repa, not rakara. Remember, that's important. If you say rakara, then people know that you don't know Samskrita. Don't call rakara. Only for this particular one, we should address it by, what is this? What is that? Can anyone read this? What is this stroke? Where is the stroke? Look for the stroke. A is a, right? A. That is, this is a stroke. So, re. And what is this? Ha. What is that? Now read this. Again? Again? That is the title. That is the name for this. You should not call it rakara. Please note this. Except for this letter. This is not rakara. You can call this kakara, chakara, pakara, makara. But the semi-vowel, the pure semi-vowel, the pure consonant, you should address by repa. What is that? Remember, what is that? Again. Okay. Not rakara. Okay. Now, coming back to here. Now, what is this now? Good. Repa plus, and this one, same thing. Nakara plus becomes ni. Now read this. And this is gu, ni, ta. This is ksha. For time being, you remember ksha. We will see that what it is later. Gunita ksha rani. What is that? Okay, that's what is written in English. Gunitaksharani. Right? The vowel signs are called Gunitaksharani. Okay. Then, yes.
In the book it is written Samskrta Prakara like stroke.
Kakara plus R, yes.
It isn't written differently.
Same. Same thing, true only. That's not difference. That's what is written. Show it to me.
I think sometimes it's rounded instead of angle bracket.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. You can write like this or like this. True. Okay. Now the consonant vowel combinations. So what are our idea? I taught you now the same thing. You can see the slide now. So you assume that dotted circle is the consonant. What is that? The dotted circle. Assume that is a consonant. Now we are going to add all the 12 vowels to the consonant. And what form that the vowel will take along with the consonant. That is what going to be shown now. When A is added to the consonant, the A will be represented by the vowel sign, the vertical stroke, A, right? Then if E is added, the E will be represented by that Gunitakshara. You understand, right? E will be represented by the stroke to the left of the consonant. And E will be the stroke to the right of the consonant. And U will become, U has got a stroke at the bottom, to the left. When the stroke you can see, it points to the left, right? And this U to the right, the long vowel U. You can replace the dotted circle with any other consonant. You will get the form and the sound, right? Then R. A is stroke at the top. I will be having 2 strokes. And OU, 1 stroke to the right and 1 at the top. And OU will have 1 extra stroke at the top. OU. And Anuswara will be there. And Aha, Visarga will be there. Right? So remember the vowel sign now. Once you remember the vowel sign, you know what vowel is added to the consonant. Consonant sound plus the vowel sign sound will be the combination of the consonant vowel combination sound. Right? Clear? Shall we move on? Yes? Okay. Now, we are taking the consonant, for example, which already I have shown here. You can read. Kakara plus A equals Ka. You can say.
Kakara plus A equals Ka.
And?
Kakara plus A equals Ka. Kakara plus E equals E. Kakara plus E equals E. Kakara plus Ku equals Ku. Kakara plus Ku equals Ku. Kakara plus Ru equals Ru. Kakara plus Ru equals Ru. Kakara plus E equals E. Kakara plus I equals Kai. Kakara plus O equals O. Kakara plus Ao equals Hao. Kakara plus
Equals Kaka. Right? So Kaka, Ki, Ku, Ku, Kr, Kr, and Lu is dropped. Okay? Remember, Lu is dropped. We are not taking that Lu. Not used much, therefore drop. K, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kaha. Remember the vowel sign and the sound. Then you know all the forms, consonant vowel combination, you know. Then, what is this? Yeah, always it will be easy. What is this now? What is that? Is it ki? No, okay. Okay. See, I'm always complicated. Okay, I will not make it so simple. That's tricky sometimes. Go back. Then,
Good.
good. What is that? Yeah. Good. Again. Alpa prana. Again. Ki. Yeah. Ki. Kham. Kham means akasha. Sky. Khara. What is that? The next one. Let us see how you say this. Come on. What is that? Nga. Na. Ni. Ni. No. What is that? No. Difficult. Okay. For me also difficult. Ngr. Ngr. Difficult. Nge. Ngai. No. Now. No. Nam. Nga. Okay. It's difficult. Okay, here we go. No problem. Nasal now is difficult. Then, the same way for the, now you see, next varga will come one by one. All the kavargas are there. You can write. You can write once. You can write, yeah, please write. Yes, all of them. So 12 into 5, 60. 60 letters are there. 60. So I will write some words using these letters, right? I'll try. You can read now. First you finish writing. Can you give me your infant reader? Once you finish writing, tell me. We will get to the first lesson of the infant reader. With whatever we have learned so far, you can read. What do you find? Is it okay? So you have to join here. Yes. This also. Written? Yes? No? See, if you have any difficulty, you can let me know. If you don't understand anything, I'll repeat again. Written? No?
It just takes
Huh?
some time to.
Right. Do you follow?
Before
Hey, what happened? You want me to explain again? Okay, he wants me to explain again. Okay, listen, carefully listen. Pure consonants are written with a leather stroke at the bottom, right? Pure consonants cannot be pronounced. Therefore, it is represented by the stroke at the bottom. To the pure consonant, you can add all the 13 vowels. And this pure consonant, I got a name, a title is there. By adding the suffix and with the sound of the consonant, you can address it. Kakara, chakara, pakara. So now first I am adding the vowel A. That's the first vowel added to the consonant. Kakara plus A, you add. What happens when you add a vowel to the consonant? First thing, the leather stroke disappears. So kakara plus A becomes ka. That is what we learn. Ka, kha, ga, ga and all. Now the next vowel we add. Kakara plus A. Already that I have written on the board. That A, the vowel will have a vertical stroke. That's the vowel sign. Each vowel is represented by a specific sign, vowel symbol. Yes. So kakara plus A is ka. Kakara plus A becomes ka. Kakara plus E becomes ki. That's what it is. So the consonant sound plus the vowel sound. The combination you get consonant vowel sound. That's what it is. Nothing more. Yeah. Yeah.
There is no split.
What's that?
Vowel lip. There is no split.
Which one you are asking? Which?
Which?
Huh?
Lip.
I don't know. That is not there. Because that is not there. Because
Only in this vowel.
sorry.
Only in this.
I said the vowel l is not required because not used much in the language. So that combination you will not see. Therefore, the l removed. So only 12 vowels are there, not the 13 vowels. Right? Fine. Now the next varga. What is the next varga? Next class? Chavarga. First ka is over. Then the next class is what? Chavarga. It's going to come now. Chavarga with the vowels.
You copy?
You will read now and then you will copy.
Okay.
Now, Chavarga, 5 consonants are there in the Varga, 5 group, 5 in the second group. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. To each consonant we are going to add the 12 vowels and see the forms now. You can write this later. Now you can, without writing, you can say now. What is this?
True.
What is that?
True.
Chiru. Chiru.
True.
It's a mistake. It's a mistake, okay.
Same sign.
One more stroke should be there at the bottom, not there. Don't copy, okay? That is a mistake. Typo is there. Chiru.
True.
Then? Next one. Jai. Jai. So many cats are there now. Ngir, nge, nyai, then no, nyam, yeah. Okay, only this much. Then, okay, you can copy this later. Yeah, you can copy this. Now we will see this first lesson of your infant reader. You can read now. Don't bother to read this. Okay, we are not saying conjunct consonant. You will see after this. But I'll tell you what it is. Pra. What is that? Pra. You don't know what it is? Don't bother about this. What's the next one? What is this letter? And this is? What is that? Can you tell the consonant vowel combination of? What is that? Makara plus aha. So, this you can see, takara plus a becomes tha. And this is makara plus a becomes aha becomes maha. This, don't bother about this, we will see that later. So now you can, what is this? Tha, maha. And this is pra. Pra, tha, maha. Read now. What is that? What is that? Pratamaha. Again. Again. It means first. Then what is this? You see. What is this letter? What is that? Akara plus becomes pa. And this letter. Takara plus aha becomes. What is now? Pataha. Pataha. Pratamaha. Pataha. Pratamaha. Pataha. What is this? What is that? Not bay. Bow. What is that? Now read. What is that? So you can read the first half of your text. Bodhaha. What is that? Bodhaha. Tattva Bodhaha. Then read now. Read now.
Bhagavat.
Bha, gha, va, vad. Bhagavad. This is pure consonant. Bhagavad. What is that?
Bhagavat.
And now? What is that? Ga. Gi.
Ta. Ta. Gita.
Bhagavad Gita.
Gita.
What is that?
Gita.
Now, what is this? Again.
Va. Va. Sa.
Read now. What is that?
Vasu.
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 Read now.
Vasu. Vasuda.
What is this letter?
Vasudev.
Vasudev.
Vasudev. Va.
What is that? Vasudevaha. It means Krishna, Lord Krishna. Vasudevaha. So letter by letter you read. Yes. Yeah. Because what is the? It's a good doubt. Now, yeah. See, the pure consonant, it's not alone, right? The pure consonant. Now you see this. What is this letter? Vakara. Okay, I'll write this one alone. You see, Bhagavat. Bhagavat. Time is up. I think another 2 minutes will take. But this letter is Bakara plus A, right? And next one, Gakara plus A. Next one, Bakara plus A plus Dakara is there. So Vakara plus A is Va, and this consonant is preceded by the vowel A. Therefore, when you add, you can say Ad. What is that? Vakara plus A. Vakara plus A is Va, and along with Dakara, pure consonant becomes Vad. What is that? Vad. A consonant becomes pronounceable when it is preceded by an vowel. A consonant becomes, because the previous letter is, vowel is there, therefore you can say Ad. What is this? You can't say. Now you say Ak, right? And what is this? Jakara. Now with the previous it can be pronounced now, right? Yes. Kara. That is only, we can only address the consonant. It doesn't have the sound. It can't be pronounced. But it's yes.
Succeeded can be pronounced.
Yes. Preceded or succeeded. Preceded we have seen. Succeeded we will see that later. Succeeded also we have seen. All this is succeeded, right? Kakara plus A. Ka. Succeeds. Preceded also, this is the example, right? Okay, we'll stop here. We'll continue in the next class. Yes. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. So if you have time, you can practice for all the 33 consonants. We are going to see tomorrow anyway, right? Thank you.